garden outdoor decoration is just too cute. The detail on it is pretty great. To me, it looks like a Hobbit house. It has this green moss on the top, these blue doors with this wood intertwined. It is very small. There's a solar panel on the back. You can turn it on or off the solar panel. And if I cover it, you can see it lights up. There's a little lamp outside and like a light shining in through the door, and it'll stay on during the night. There is a drainage hole in the bottom if water happens to get in there through it, and it should be fairly durable. I think it looks great. I just don't know where to put it. I kind of want to keep it on my desk. You know, it's a small compact size. The door does not open. It is made out of one-piece resin, and as you can see, that is what it looks like lit up. I'm gonna go put it in a couple spots and see where we like it. It looks kind of cool right here, but I think I have a better spot for it. I'm in the process of planting this whole succulent garden here, which is not done, but you can see this little wood bridge because this is a drainage ditch, and I think having the little cottage / Hobbit house under the bridge is pretty cute for now. I'll figure out a more permanent place, but I think this makes a great gift for someone who likes to garden or likes just cute little things in their yard or even in their home. And I hope this video helps you with your buying experience.